हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज का न्यू टॉपिक है ट्रांसपायरेशन इन प्लांट्स। ट्रांसपायरेशन इन प्लांट मीन्स क्या होता है? द वाटर एब्जॉर्प्शन फॉर द प्लांट इन द रूट्स एंड फॉर द इन स्टेम पार्ट ऑफ द वाटर मूवमेंट्स इन कंडीशंस एंड वाटर वेपर्स ऑफ द इन सनलाइट प्रेजेंट ऑफ द इन लीफ ऑफ द स्टोमेटस and the food material development of the roots, condition of the water vaporations. Transpiration, transportations. The chapter 5 is in life process of the transportation. The transportations can be defined as a vital life process in which the substance absorbed or the synthesis in one part of the body is moved to other part of the in body. Transportations in plants can. Transportations in plant is not a effective as a animals. ये जंतुओं में इफेक्टिव नहीं है प्लांट्स में है. However, higher plants have well developed in tissue called of the vascular bundles in which help of the transportation substance. Vascular bundles contain two types of the xylem and phloem. Xylem tissue carry out of the transports in the water minerals. On the other hand, in the transportation of foods in prepared by the plants and other substance hormones in carried out by the phloem. The transportation of water and minerals waters in xylem cell tracheids and vessels. Next can xylem and phloem. Xylem is the transport store water and water soluble nutrients in the vasculars and the movement water upward inwardly from the root and the shoot, mostly dead cells exception of the in parenchyma, provide mechanical support and the water for the conduction. But if the phloem is the transport sugar proteins in other organic molecules in the plant, this is a photosynthesis part of the in development. Movement of the substance bidirectionals both the up and down, mostly living cells exception phloem of fibers help in the translocations of the in is called essence sap and water in rich tracheries in elements of xylem is the main pathway for the ascent for the sap. Tracheries in the elements includes tracheas in xylem vessels and tracheids. The rate of water and rise in the translocation 25 to 70 millimeters. It is the maximum during the rainy seasons in the tropical countries and during the spring of temperature habits. The amount of the root pressure of is 1 and the 2 atoms but is the only applicable in the herbaceous plants, not applicable in the gymnosperms and tall trees. The force which pull the water column filled in the xylem vessels and tracheid and transpirationals for the pull. This theory of the suggests that the water uplifts under the tensions created due to the rapid loss of water from the leaves. This water loss is called transpiration. Therefore, transpiration helps in the upwards in transport of water and minerals. The transpiration process xylems. Xylem definitions of the is a specialized tissue in the vascular bundle transport water and dissolve minerals and from the root and the rest plant. Function fact क्या है? The word is the xylem comes in the Greek language xylon is the meanings. Component xylem tissue. The xylem tissue is the made of four of the main component. First of the trachea, second of the vessel element, third of the xylem, fourth of the xylem phalanx. First, long narrow cells in width of the trapped in the ends have. Second of the have pits allow the water movement dead and the maturities in lignified walls vessels. Sorted wider cells joined into end to from tubes. Performance plates at involves more efficient for water transport than the tracheids. Xylem fibers, thick walled dead cells, provides structure supports and narrow and pointed for the structure and lignified in performs figure of the xylem. And xylem parenchyma is the last of the structures in living cells. Store of nutrients help with the water transport. Trip and time. Remember the xylem tissue consists the dead and tracheids vessels cell and fibers and living of the parenchyma cells, and for the in mnemonic with the water moves up in the plant for the in xylems and y of the in for the in conditions and conditions of transpirations. This is a loss of the evaporation water in the from water vapor from the aerial part of the plant, mainly from leaf, is called transpiration. Total amount of water absorbed by the plant is not utilization by the plant. Use only 5% to 10% of this absorbed and rest to 95% water in the loss of the in aerial part of the in plant in the form of the water. Types of the transpiration. Transpiration is the three types of the stomatal transpirations and cuticular transpiration and lenticular transpiration process. What is the stomata? What are the stomata? The minute pores are the leaf, epidermis, and lungs evaporate for the coolers. Second, location in dicot, mostly lower surface, and monocot in the equal pore. Function, gas exchange CO2 and CO2. Transpiration, water. Structure of stomata, opens and close. The first of the cell of the in secondary surrounded of the cell, second of the guard cell, third of the thick inner cells and thick outer walls, and the radial cells of the subsidiary cells, central cells, pore and subsidiary cell present of the open stomata, daytime open and night time in the close. In flexibility, Golgi coleopause for the in monocot, grass stoma for the in dumbbell shaped, monocot में dumbbell shaped है. Mechanism of opening and closing of the potassium pump theory. Opening day and night of the light active in the uptake from subsidiary cell, endodermis cell, water in for the in potential. Guard cell turgidity in the soil in inner walls of the part pore open. In second, B closing of the night and dark stress for the potassium के effects for the moves out of the water potential increase the exomixis process. Endomixis and exomixis, water out of the in guard cell. Flacidity shrink secundina inner walls of the callops in the pores close. ABVA state of hormone. Abasic acid is the strong trigger for the incolus day night. And factor for the in affecting stomata, light in open day, temperature high in close, carbon dioxide on the high close, and humidity is the high open. In quick for the comparison of the dicot and monocot. Guard cell is the shape of the kidney bean shaped and monocot dumbbell shaped. Distribution more of the lower surface and equal conditions है. अरेंजमेंट ऑफ द स्केलेटल बिखरे हुए डाइकॉट में होते हैं, जबकि पैरेलल रो में होते हैं. फॉर द एग्जांपल में डाइकॉट मैंगोस एंड बीन्स एंड मोनोकॉट ऑफ द मेज एंड द ग्रास. Next condition, types of the transpiration stomata. First of the stomata, the leaves, green shoot and the modified from the stem have many small opening on the surface called of the stomata. The stomata help in the plants for the exchange of the gas during the respiration. They are made of the pair of kidney shaped cells called in guard cell, which is the govern the opening and closing stomata. About of the 85 and 90% water in transpiration process. Second of the cuticular transpiration. The outer part of the implant and the leaves are the covered by the plant and the leaves. Second में double lining cooperation of cuticle. They also is by important role in the transpiration. This is called cuticulars. And third of the transpiration, it is about 5 to 10 total of the lenticulars in transpiration stem for the in branch in conditions and for the number of called in the lenticels. In some of the water vapors is the release from these are the lenticel also about of the in lenticels. Companion and phloem cell present of the four types are companion cell, sieve tube, companion cell, phloem parenchyma, and phloem fiber. First of the sieve tubes is the important of the in sieve tubes. First of the these cells in the side and side by tubes or the obscurely associated with them. Companion cells second of the in these cell help in the development of sieve tubes in the element. Phloem parenchyma and phloem is the parenchyma are the ordinary living parenchyma cells in associated with the phloem, and next of the in they store foods. Phloem fiber provide mechanical strength of the plant the fiber of flax, hemp, and jute are the phloem fibers etc. हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आप लोग चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए, लाइक करिए, बेल आइकन दबाइए जिससे नेक्स्ट वीडियो आपको अवेलेबल हो सके। ओके, थैंक्स। कमेंट्स अवश्य करिएगा। ओके।